number the free throw conversion.
That's something that we have to check.
Oo.
Free throws, ha? Hindi mo kami ng free throws.
Finally, Morales get the free throw down. That's enough to give Amanda Coffee College a 2-point lead, 31-29. Ron Blum now starting here in the third quarter. Ganda ang nilaro niya ng ating second quarter. That's going to be a Richard. Punta naman dito kay John Varga.
Ayaw nilang magkaroon ng open penetration. Ito si Romblon.
Nakataka-taka nga rito para sa pupunan ng the Lewis Colleges. Sila yung pumapasok sa loob, although they are the shorter team. Dedate makes the three. Dedate over to Marquez. Outside, De Vera was 1 for 9 from the outside. That's not a set this time. Shot clock winding down. 6 seconds na lamang yan. There's going to be a three. And that is going to be missed. Morales clears the rebound now for Amanda Coffee College. Utah into the broad court. And there's a three-pointer. They got a long two. Para naman dito. Kay Sardino. That's his second basket all here in the third quarter.
That's right. He's got 4 points. And incidentally, they're also on top now by 4 points. It's a 5-0 run to start the third quarter on the part of ATC.
Take a look at it one more time from the outside. That's actually Briagas, the kamali ng kahit sa numero. Briagas started this game. So Briagas scoring heavily dito sa ating third quarter. Good following that time. Si De Vera, hindi na sinubukan yung kanyang outside shot.
That's no? Ito, if it's not a 3-point shot, may range rin pala. They've got some good spin. Finally, he was able to knock in 2 points here in the third quarter to start the first 2 points of